Bonjour. Ça va? Ça va? Bon, le cours va commencer. Remember that the passé composé and the imparfait are two distinct tenses that are not used in the same way. Keep the context in mind when deciding which tense to use. We use the passé composé to talk about events that happened at a specific moment or that took place for a specific duration in the past. Take a look at this example.
Je suis allée au concert vendredi.
She was very specific about when she went to that concert, right? She went Friday. The passé composé is also used to talk about a sequence of events or about actions that started and ended in the past and which the speaker views as completed. Listen to the following sequence of chores.
Tu as fait le lit, tu as sorti la poubelle et tu as mis la table.
The passé composé is also used to indicate a change in a person's mental, emotional, or physical state.
Tout à coup, elle a eu soif.
And it's also used to narrate facts in a story, like this.
On nous a posé des questions à la douane et ensuite nous sommes sortis.
Finally, the passé composé is used to describe actions that move the plot forward in a narration.
Soudain, quelqu'un est entré dans la chambre.
Now, let's look at the uses of the imparfait. One use is to talk about actions that lasted for an unspecified duration of time.
Elle dormait tranquillement.
Another use is to relate events that occurred habitually or repeatedly in the past, or to tell how things used to be. Watch.
Nous faisions une promenade au parc tous les dimanches matins.
The imparfait is also used to describe a person's ongoing mental, emotional, or physical state. Observe.
Elle avait toujours peur des chiens.
It's also used to describe the background scene or setting of a story, like this.
Ce matin-là, il faisait beau et le ciel était bleu.
And finally, the imparfait is used to describe people and things.
C'était une photo de la classe de français.
On essaie? Now it's your turn to practice. You done? That fast? Wow! Let's continue. The imparfait and the passé composé can be used in the same sentence to say what was going on when something else happened. To say what was going on, use the imparfait. To say what interrupted the ongoing activity, use the passé composé. Take a look.
Je travaillais dans le jardin quand mon ami a téléphoné. Il faisait de la planche à voile quand j'ai pris cette photo.
A cause and effect relationship is sometimes expressed by using the passé composé and the imparfait in the same sentence. Pay attention.
Marie avait envie de faire du shopping, alors elle est allée au centre commercial. Mon ami a balayé la maison parce qu'elle était sale.
Remember that avoir has a different meaning in the imparfait and the passé composé.
J'avais sommeil. J'ai eu sommeil.
Attention! Remember that certain expressions, for example, soudain, tout à coup, autrefois, une fois, d'habitude, souvent, and toujours, serve as cues that signal one tense or the other. Observe.
Un jour, j'ai retrouvé Nathalie au cinéma. D'habitude, j'allais au centre-ville avec mes amis.
À vous. Now, it's your turn to practice what you've learned.